Hey guys, welcome to our channel Artistica. Today we are going to compare PW study material versus LN study material of specifically bio. So first of all, we will take a look at PW study material of biology. It contains 3 study materials, part A, part B and one solution of both the modules. Whereas in LN study material we get module 1, 3 and 6 for class 11. Also we have uploaded orientation session of PW as well as unboxing video of PW study material. Now we will take a look deep inside module number 1 of both PW study material as well as LN study material. In the first module, there is diversity in the living world, cell the unit of life and many others. So first of all we are taking look at LN study material. Okay, so this is the first chapter of LN study material of bio. Now we will take a look at few pages of PW study material. So this is the first study material of PW biology for class 11. So it has addition given in it, whereas LN study material does not contain addition. You can see. Also, we cannot buy LN study material from genuine sources. You have to buy it second hand from any stationery. Now a few pages we will look at in PW study material. Now guys, we will take a quick comparison of both the modules. So this is the cover page of both the study material. This is the starting page of LN and this is the starting page of PW study material. In LN study material we get colorful pages, whereas in PW study material we get black and white pages. In PW study material it starts with past year's NEET trend. Like into 2021 we got one question in NEET from this chapter, whereas when LN study material start, it directly start with the chapter itself. Now we will move further inside the pages of LN first, then into the PW study material. In LN study material we can see that it has been written a little bit larger in font size, whereas in study material of PW we can see it is very small yet visible very clearly. Now you can take a quick look at the font sizes of both PW and LN. Now moving further, we can look inside PW study material that it has been written very uniquely and very small in size. Also the content in PW study material is little bit more than of LN study material. Now at the end of the chapter of both LN and PW study material we can see LN has golden key points, whereas PW study material directly start with its topic wise question. After the golden key points of LN we get beginner box, whereas after the end of the chapter in PW we get topic wise question. After that we move to learning plus, which is objective type question, and then to multi-concept MCQ. After that we get NEET past 10-year question This is, we are talking about PW study material, and then we get answer key. Now in Allen study material, when the chapter ends, we get golden key point. After that, beginner box with low level of question, and then beginner box is in between the chapter when there are more many number of topics. At the end of the chapter, which is now I realized in Allen study material, it is only the beginner box which is present in after any completion of chapter. When the whole topic completes, then we get the exercises. Here we get beginner box answers when the whole chapter diversity in living world completes. But as we saw in the PW study material, the living world chapter is another topic and other chapters are another topic. But in Allen study material, the whole topic which is given in NCERT, the diversity in living world, whole chapter is taken together, completed, then the question answer comes. Number of questions in Allen study material are almost 343, and we only get answer key after the chapter ends. Inside PW study material, the number of questions we get are almost 170. In PW study material, we get this much pages, almost this much pages for the diversity in living world. In Allen study material, we get this thickness in diversity in living world. The number of questions in Allen study material is more. You only get answer key in Allen study material. In PW study material, we get separate module for solution of the whole topics, whereas in Allen study material we do not get any solution module. In both the app of PW as well as Allen Plus, we get the video solution of each and every question explained. Also, you can look into our description for unboxing of study material of PW, which was uploaded almost 25 days ago. So guys, thanks for watching our video. Like the video if you enjoyed watching till the end. Also, we are new channel, so support and share to everyone who need this video. Thank you guys, and for more such content, subscribe to our channel via Artistica.